Good afternoon, all of you students. So my name is Rashida Begum. I'm from that MS Academy. I'm a maths faculty. So today I'm going to explain you that 1B in the 1B straight line chapter, because already the straight line chapter is over yesterday. Some of that introduction has been already given. So now I would like to continue that some of the questions from there. What are the important questions for 7 marks? So as you know that I think madam has explained you that some of the 7-mark question and 2-mark question. So let us once you go through that, what are the formulas will be used there? What are the important formulas are there in the straight lines? After that, I will explain you the questions. So let us go for that. So what about the slope and formulas are there here? Equation of straight lines. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. First one. Second one is y is equal to mx plus c. And number 3 is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And the fourth one is x1 plus r minus r cos theta, comma, y1 plus r minus r sin theta. Generally, students will get confused over that which formula to be used and at which portion we have to use that which formula. See, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 is the most famous formula in your straight lines. And the remaining all, as per the some of that places we will use that, and a maximum cases, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 will be used. For the 7 marks, we use this one lot. Remember this point. And y is equal to mx plus c will have that only 1 2 marks or 4 mark question is there. Maximum 2 mark question is given based on this formula. Next, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Here also one important formula is there related to this one for 2 marks only. And one more thing I forgot to say that one more formula is there, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. This is called that a normal form. In the previous year, every year the normal form he gave that one question on this for 2 marks only. Okay. So this is the 2 marks and a very important formula also. This is x1 plus r minus r cos theta and y1 plus r minus r sin theta. In this one, you will get that 1 4-mark question. So what are the most important formulas that there? And the first one and this fourth one. So today I am going to explain that from the first formula we will use that whatever the questions are comes from that. See, what is that? Nothing but here m. M is called that slope. And slope is generally, what is the formula for the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, when it will be used that whenever the 2 points are available to use, then only we will use that m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Whenever 2 points are available to you, then only we can use that y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And m is equal to one more formula is there, that is minus a by b. M is equal to minus a by b. When this will be used? When the line is given to you, not the points are not there. When the points are not there, then we'll use that m is equal to minus a by b. These are the major points I'm telling you that one. Instead of going to the directly to the question, you should know about the concept. Whatever the formulas to be used there, generally people will get confused over that. So that's why I'm clearing this point. Please make it noted all of this. M is equal to minus a by b and m is equal to tan theta. These are all 3 formulas are there for m. Okay. M is this formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 generally used for 7 marks. M is equal to minus a by b and m is equal to tan theta. Generally it will be useful for 2-mark questions. Okay. Then please make it clear once you go through this. After that we will go for the next question. What is okay? What is the name for this? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. It has the name. What is that name? Just I'm highlighting this and you tell there. See there. This is the slope point form. PT बोला तो point. Okay, I'm not writing full. Point form. And this is slope intercept form. Second one. Slope intercept form. And this is called only intercept form. Intercept form. Intercept word, whenever it is given to that, then is formula to be used. And x1 plus r minus r cos theta, y1 plus r minus r sin theta. This will be called this is called that parametric form. And the last one already I told that is the normal form. Okay. Just you go through that more formulas, the names once you go through that. After that, I'll explain you the question on this. Now, before going to the question, I would like to explain you one thing. Say, what are the important questions are there in the straight lines? Already by your previous lectures, you came to know that what are the important questions are there. Circumcenter, ortho center, foot of the perpendicular and image theorems. These are the four major part of the straight lines. And one more question is there, 4p square plus q square is equal to a square. These 5 questions, if we get the grip over that, definitely we'll get one question on this. Okay, I think you have seen that your previous papers also, but in the previous papers also you can identify that you will have that one question on these 4 topics. What did I say? Circumcenter, ortho center, foot of the perpendicular, image theorem, and 4p square plus q square is equal to a square. These 5 questions, please try to learn it properly. Then today I'm going to explain you that circumcenter. Circumcenter is already known by this. But one thing is that please be careful about writing that a minus b whole square formula. In the chapter of locus and the straight line, a minus b whole square formula plays the major role. Then let us go for that. A question for circumcenter related question. Find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 3, minus 3, 5 and 5, minus 1. Solution for this. First you draw the triangle. This point A is 1, 3, B is minus 3, 5 and 5, minus 1. So name this one as the S will be here. S is x, y, we have to name this. So here to from here distance, from here to here the distance, from here to here the distance to be same always. SA distance, SP distance and SC distance is always same. So what we have to do that, here SA distance, SB distance, SC distance to be taken. So what we have to do that, write down this, let S x comma y be the circumcenter of the triangle. If you write this point, you will get that 1 mark over here, ma'am. Please remember this point. Instead of leaving the question, you write this part, at least you will get that 1 mark. So let us x comma y be the circumcenter of the triangle with vertices A is 1 comma 3 and B is minus 3 comma 5 and C is 5 comma minus 1. Generally, people will say that if you write the question, you will get that 1 mark. It's highly impossible that you will not get that marks for writing the question. That is unnecessarily, that is a very false answer. Don't follow that. If you write this type of anything, you will get 1 mark. ओके क्योंकि तो ये जनरली टॉक है, कहीं पर भी जब क्वेश्चन लिख के आएगा तो एक मार्क मिल जाता बोल के, क्वेश्चन लिखे तो मार्क नहीं मिलता, उसके रिलेटेड कुछ तो भी आंसर लिखे तो मार्क मिलते. ओके इफ यू राइट ऑन दिस वन विल गेट at least minimum 1 mark. Then you write, see SCA I need it. So how to find out SCA? So what is the distance formula? This is a very famous one, and from the school level you are learning this. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what is x1 y1 and what is x2 y2? Always keep that sx comma y as x2 y2, and a is nothing but here 1 comma 3. Name this one as x1 y1. For the sake of convenience, we are writing this is x2 y2, even though we are writing this first. So now SCA is equal to under root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. To remove the root, what we have to do, that squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, then SCA square is equal to root over x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square total whole square. So square root will get cancelled, and SCA square is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Generally, the people will do the mistake. They will cut off these squares also. Don't cut the squares, only root will be cut it off. Only root and square will cut it off, and the remaining inside the squares will be always with the last of the question. So here SCA square is equal to expanded a minus b whole square. A minus b already locus chapter is finished, I think. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square means we have that here x square plus b square बोले तो 1 square, that is 1 square minus 2ab. 2ab करे जब जनरली क्या करते बोलते ऐसा करते ना, ऐसा ना करे तो ऐसा मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, इजी रहता आप लोगों को करने में. 2 1s are 2 into this is x 2x. You multiply like this, okay, instead of going like this you will get confused over that. So number of multiply कर लेना easy अपन को. So 1 into 2 2 into x 2x. And while going for this one again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab means multiply this one first. 2 3s are 6. 6 into y 6y. Okay, you write 6y like this. Then we'll get that here. Write in the proper order x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y 1 plus 9. 3 square was the 9 now. So 1 plus 9, that is equal to 10. Hope you understand this SCA square. Then we'll go for that HP square. Then we'll go for that SB square. For this SB square, I'm not writing the square root. I'm not writing directly. I'm going for that SB square. Here SC is nothing but x comma y, and B is nothing but your point is minus 3 comma 5. So this is your x2 y2 and this is your x1 y1. Then this is, I'm not writing the square. Then writing x minus of minus 3 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y minus 5 whole square. That is becoming that minus into minus, it will become plus. So x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Now expand this SB square. SB square is equal to this x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Again, you apply that a plus b whole square formula here. This is a square means x square plus b square bola to c square plus 2ab. I told that to multiply like this. 2 3 are 6, 6 into x, 6x. And plus y square minus this is plus b square bola to 5 square minus 2ab. You multiply like this. So it will be easy. 2 5 are 10, 10 into y, 10y. Now write and simplify this. X square plus y square plus and here 9 and 6x minus 10y plus 9 plus 25. Then how much you are getting that here? X square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y, and you are getting that here 34. Once you go through this, so we'll go for the next page. Same time we have done that. See the points once again I am writing here. A is we have that 1 comma 3, B is minus 3 comma 5, and C we have that here 5 comma minus 1. So SA square is equal to SB square to be done. Then already I told you that how to write down x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, and this is x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Expansion already I have made you done here. X square plus 1 square both the 1 minus 2x minus 2ab plus y square plus 3 square bola to 9 minus 2ab minus 6y, and is equal to x square plus b square bola to 3 square, that is 9 plus 2ab, that is 6x plus y square, and plus this is 25 minus 2ab, like that you are getting that minus 10y. Okay, clear? Now similar terms with opposite signs, same signs can get cancelled in opposite sides. Y square, y square. Any more get cancelled here? 9 and 9 will also get cancelled. Then any more will get cancelled here? No. So we write here 1 minus 2x minus 6y is equal to 6x plus 25 minus 10y. Send this all this term that side, they will get 6x plus 25 minus 10y plus minus 1 plus 2x plus 6y is equal to 0. Now 6x plus 2x, that is 8x, minus 10y plus 6y, that is minus 4y, 25 minus 1, that is 24, is equal to 0. Can you cancel out this with 4? So it get cancelled with 4. 4 1s are, 4 2s are, and 4 6s are. So we can write this is as 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Name this one as equation 1, or we can highlight this one also like this. SA square is equal to SP square. Similarly, we can go for that SCA square is equal to SC square also. SCA square is equal to, we'll go for that SC square. What is SA? SA is already there with you. That is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Then SC square. How can you find out SC square? S का point क्या है? X comma y. C का point है y comma minus 1. So this is your x2 y2 and this is your x1 y1. x2 minus x1 whole square. That is x minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is y minus of minus 1 whole square. So this is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to x minus 5 whole square minus of minus means y plus 1 whole square. Now expand it. This is a square plus b square बोले तो 1 minus 2ab minus 2x plus y square plus 3 square बोले तो 9 minus 2ab that is 6y is equal to again this is x square plus y square बोले तो 25 pi square. Okay, I'm writing directly and minus 2ab minus 10x plus a plus b whole square again a square b square बोले तो 1 square that is 1 plus 2ab that is plus 2y. Now see that whatever the similar terms are getting there cancelled out. X square y square 1 1. Now what are the left terms are there here? You write. So here we have that minus 2x plus 9 minus 6y is equal to 25 minus 10x plus 2y is left. Then bring all the terms this side. So minus 2x plus 9 minus 6y minus 25 plus 10x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now minus 2x this is how much you are getting that 8x and minus 6y this is minus 8y. Next 9 minus 25 minus 16 is equal to 0. Can we cancel out this with 8? Cancel out with 8. 8 ones are 8 ones are 8 ones are 8 twos are. So how much we got it here? X minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is your second equation. So solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. That is 2x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. X minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Two procedures are there, my here. Cross multiplication method and that normal method, elimination method is there. Sometimes better to use that elimination method. Sometimes better to use that cross multiplication method. So here clearly minus y is appearing. Instead of going for cross multiplication method, better to go for that elimination method only. It will be easier and it will be faster. See, just to change the signs, here minus, here plus and here plus. Plus minus y plus y will get cancelled now. So 2x minus x is x. 6 plus 2 that is 8 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 8. Then which is the smallest equation is there in that one, you substitute that. Any equation you substitute the same answer you will get. Okay, any equation you can choose it. Then we are going for that second equation. So x minus y minus 2 इसमें substitution कर रही मैं. So minus 8 minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 10 minus y is equal to 0. Minus y is equal to 10. Therefore y is equal to minus 10. Therefore what is your circumcenter? X comma y is equal to, we have that here minus 8 comma minus 10 is your answer. Is a very, very important question which is having that minus 8 minus 10 as the answer. Once you go through that, Find the ortho center of the triangle. -2, -1, 6, comma, -1, 2, comma, 5. Most of the students failed in ortho center because that circumcenter just finding the distance between the 2 points. Most of the students are able to do that, but ortho center, they are feeling difficult. So please follow the tricks, what I am saying that, and accordingly you do that the remaining questions. So whatever I am explaining, those are no, one question you don't practice it, you try to practice the remaining questions also by whatever the hints I am giving for. See, -2, -1, 6, comma, -1, 2, comma, 5 are the vertices of the triangle A, B, C. We need to find out this line. We need to find out this line. The name of these two lines are, this is AD. Name this one as AD. Name this one as BE. We need two lines, AD and BE. A point of intersection of these two lines is called that orthocenter. Generally, that is represented with O. So, how to find out AD equation? Listen carefully, all of you. Equation of AD. How to find out equation of AD? To find out the equation of AD, what is our formula? Y minus y1 is equal to, I told you that now, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So we need m. So how to find out the m? So before to find out the m, you take the help of BC. This line is there now, BC line. Take the slope of this one and make it reverse. Then you will get that AD equation, because we need AD, not BE. So, okay. Okay. Then here, slope of BC, you take that. BC ka, this is a 6, comma, -1 and 2, comma, 5. Then this is x2, x1, y1, x2, y2. So what is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. BC points you take it. Here you write down what I am writing like this, only write. This is BC points. With this help of this one, we will find the slope. Then y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 5 minus of -1 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus 6, that is 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 6, that is -4. That is 6 by -4. That is 2 3s are and 2 2s are. How much we are getting, ma? -3 by 2. Niche have to be minus upon upar hi likh lena. So here down we got that minus, but we can write down that one in the numerator. Okay, nothing will happen. Then, but we need that slope of AD. We don't need that slope of BC. We need the slope of AD because we have to find out the equation of AD. Then, what is the slope of AD? That is our M. Okay, this is our M. M is nothing but just to make it reverse. 3 by 2 is there, -3 by 2 is there. You write down that 2 by 3. Here minus is there. You disappear that minus. Remove that minus. Okay. 2 by -3 by 2 is there. Just you make it reverse and you write down that is as 2 by 3. Suppose we have that -4 by 5 aya. Then we write that 5 by 4. Okay. Suppose we got that -6 by 7. See that. Only 6 by 7 you have that. Then you write -7 by 6. Make it reverse. At the same time, change the sign. That will give the slope of AD. Okay, remember this point. Then we have the slope. Then minus, this is 2 by 3. Whose vertices are? Then we have a slope and we need the point. Point is we have to take from this one ma. Equation of AD now. So therefore equation of AD. that is y minus AD. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Then y minus what is your x1, y1? A point, AD ka nikal rahe na? Then A ka point we have to take that. A ka point. What is the A point? We have that here. -2, -1 is there. That one is used as x1, y1. So y minus y1, y minus of -1 is equal to 2 by 3 into x minus of -2. Then y plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3 into x plus 2. Do the cross multiplication. 3y plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 4. Then bring all these terms this side. 2x plus 4 minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. Then that is 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Okay. So now we are going for that equation of BE nikalna. So how to take that BE? Equation of BE. To get that BE equation, take the slope of AC. This slope we take and make it reverse, then we'll get that BE equation slope. So let us go for that. Equation points you have to take. Points of A and C. Then what are the points you have that my here? -2, -1 and 2, 5. x1, y1, x2, y2. Then y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 5 minus of -1 by 2 minus of -2. Then that is 5 plus 1 by 2 plus 2. That we have that 6 by 4. That is 3 by 2. Then what is the slope of BE? Because we need to find out the equation of BE. So that's why slope of BE to be taken. What is the slope of BE? Slope of BE is, make it reverse. This write down as 2 by 3. Here this is the positive one. So we write here minus. Okay, name this one as M. Now, equation of BE. That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So what is x1, y1 here? x1, y1 is a B point ka x1, y1 to be used that. So what is the B point here? B point we have that here 6, -1. That is x1, y1. So that is y minus of -1 is equal to -2 by 3 into x minus of x1. That is 6. Then this is a y plus 1 is equal to -2 by 3 into x minus 6. So do the cross multiplication like this. 3y plus 3 is equal to -2x plus 12. Okay. Then bring all this term this side. 3y plus 3 plus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. So now this is becoming that 2x and plus 3y and 3 minus 12, that is -9 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. Then that is, what is the first equation we have that here? है लेकिन मिट गया है. 2x minus 3y plus 1. Two x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is the first equation is there. Here 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 3y minus 3y is already there. Cancel out here. 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 8. 4 2s are cancelled. So x की value होती है 2. That 2 be substituted in the first equation or second equation. 2 into 2 plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Then 4 plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. 4 नहीं बस हो रहा. Then 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 by 3. Therefore, x comma y is equal to 2 comma 5 by 3. This 2 comma 5 by 3 answers Ardo center question is very, very important. So many times it was given in final exam. So please remember this to try to practice it more and more. Just have a look. మా మంచినీళ్ళు ఇవ్వ కొంచెం. పేరెంట్స్కి ఇవ్వాలంట. If P and Q are the length of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the straight lines x secant alpha plus y cosecant alpha is equal to A, and x cos alpha minus y sin alpha is equal to A cos 2 alpha, then prove that 4p square plus q square is equal to A square. See, highlight this point first. Length of the perpendicular drawn from the origin. For this one, we'll have one formula. If you know that formula, you can easily do that question. So nothing is there here in this question. Just question is bigger one. The solution is nothing there. Solution. Length of the perpendiculars drawn from the origin. Formula for this one is, remember this formula, Maya? Mod C by root over A square plus B square is the formula. Mod C by root over A square plus B square. So, he is saying that a formula apply for this one, apply the same formula for this one. Two questions are there for the two straight line equations. You apply the same formula. First one you name this P, second one you name that one as Q. First one you name this P, second one is name this Q. If you do that 4p square plus q square is equal to how much you will get? He is asking you. So now x secant alpha from equation 1. X secant alpha plus y cosecant alpha is equal to A. Then bring this one here. X secant alpha plus y cosecant alpha minus A is equal to 0. In this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. Substitute there and name that one as P. So here mod C by root over A square plus B square formula I am applying here, minus A by root over A square bolo to secant alpha whole square plus B square means cosecant alpha whole square. And name this one as, he said that P. Then here, mod ke andar minus whenever it will be there, that minus will be gone. Then A by root over square of secant alpha, secant square alpha. And this will become that cosecant square alpha. Generally, what you people will do the mistake here, they will write secant square alpha square. Only secant will be square and cosecant will be square. Whenever you are going to write down the trigonometric square or cube or anything, any power will be there, only that trigonometric term will become square. And that whatever that beside values will be there, these will not be get square or cubes. Then this will become that A by root over. Convert this one in terms of sin and cos. What is the secant alpha formula? Hope you people know this. Secant alpha is nothing but 1 by cos alpha. Cosecant alpha is nothing but cosecant alpha is nothing but 1 by sin alpha. So as per this one, we write this one as 1 by cos square alpha, 1 by sin square alpha. That is nothing but P. Now, A by root over, take that LCM. While taking the LCM, this will come this side, this will come this side. And again, both will come close. Then we write, this is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha by sin square alpha, cos square alpha, or cos square alpha, sin square alpha is equal to, we named this one as P. Then A by root over sin square alpha plus cos square alpha value is 1. So 1 by cos square alpha sin square alpha is equal to P. And here square and root will get cancelled. Then A by this square and root will get cancelled. However, root 1 will always be 1 only. So this will become that 1 by cos alpha sin alpha is equal to P. Make it reverse. Then here A cos alpha sin alpha by 1 is equal to, it will become P. So however, no need to write down the 1. Then this is A cos alpha sin alpha is equal to P. Okay. Keep it this one like this. Now see, here what we got it finally, P is nothing but A cos alpha sin alpha, we got it. Okay, right. Now here we have a formula that sin 2 alpha is nothing but 2 sin alpha cos alpha, we have one formula. But I have only sin alpha and cos alpha, so get this one down. Then here sin 2 alpha by 2 is nothing but this is sin alpha and cos alpha. So now what can we do that instead of cos alpha sin alpha, I can write down the sin 2 alpha by 2. Did you get my point? Sin alpha cos alpha, instead of this one, I can write this one as sin 2 alpha by 2. So now what happened that your P is becoming that A into sin 2 alpha by 2. Okay, P is closed. Now we have to find out that Q. How to find out the Q? Just once you go through this one, after that I'll continue that remaining part. Up to P only we have done. Next we'll go for the Q. Okay, coming further next. Next equation, what is given, ma? X cos alpha. Next equation is this one, we have that. See, X cos alpha plus Y sin alpha given is equal to P. No, A cos 2 alpha is given. Again, you apply the same formula, mod C by root over A square plus B square. So what is A here? This one can be written as X cos alpha plus Y sin alpha. Bring this one here, minus A cos 2 alpha is equal to 0. So now this is your A, this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. Substitute here. This is minus A cos 2 alpha by root over A square. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. And he is telling you that name this one as Q. Name this one as Q. First one is P, next one is Q. Then this is, when our mod is there, if you remove the mod, minus will be gone. Then A cos 2 alpha by root cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, value is 1. Then that is equal to Q. Now this is A cos 2 alpha is equal to Q. Therefore, 4P square plus Q square value he is asking you. That is A or not, he is asking you. So let us go for that, check it whether it is will be A or not. So that is 4P square, 4 into what is P? P is nothing but already we have done. Where is the P? P is this part. A sin 2 alpha by 2 whole square plus Q square. Q square is A cos 2 alpha whole square. So here 4 into a square sine square 2 alpha by 4. Square of each and every term. A square sine square by 2 square. So a square sine square 2 alpha plus a square cos square 2 alpha. So 4 cancel. Then a square sine square 2 alpha, a square cos square 2 alpha. So in these two take a square common ma, sine square 2 alpha plus cos square 2 alpha. So that is a square into sine square alpha plus cos square alpha value is always 1. So a square into 1 is equal to a square. Therefore, 4p square plus q square is equal to a square has been proved. Hence proved. That's all. Okay. The remaining questions will continue tomorrow, ma. Okay. For these are today's are enough. These classes are enough to you. Please, whatever the questions I have explained, please go through once at home and try to go for the same model questions. Okay. Circumcentral and orthocenter, you will find number of questions. So for this one, single question is there. You go through that the single question.